Open the template file you downloaded from the UniPhi website. The file may take some time to load. Please be patient. Save the file as your company name. Now we need to connect the file to your UniPhi deployment. To do this, click on the Transform Data icon in the menu ribbon. This will open the Power Query Editor window. To connect to your deployment, click on the endpoint URL parameter and enter your URL in the resulting pop-up box. Now click on the Close and Apply icon in the icon ribbon. This will close the Power Query Editor and refresh the data with information from your deployment. You will be prompted to enter in a username and password. Depending on your deployment type, this will either be Windows or Basic. Once you click Connect, all the UniPhi endpoints will populate with data from your deployment and you will be ready to use Power BI. Note that the connection can take some time, and if you enter the wrong password, you will be locked out of UniPhi and will need to get your account unlocked by a system administrator. Once connected, you will see the endpoints populate one at a time. Finally, the sample reports will refresh with your data and display the results. Have fun working with your new file and check out UniPhi's website for more information. Goodbye.